Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this HD portable LED projector. Alright guys, so they give you your audio and video cable, they give you HDMI cable, manual, your power plug, also your remote. It's just a simple standard remote, typical for these projectors. So on here you can adjust the focus by going left and right. You also have all your buttons and power on here as well. USB port, HD port. You also have headphone port or speaker port, audio video port, DC port. Overall, nice little projector. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. Alright, so you press and hold the power button to turn it on. So let's go somewhere where it's more darker. Alright, so you can adjust the focus and everything on here. So I'm trying to hold it. Let's see. Yeah, music, movie, text, HDMI, audio, video, photo, and these different settings. So it depends on what you have connected. But yeah, it's nice and clear. Nice projector. So still working on it. For some reason, I don't like my setup here. You know, it looks really unprofessional. I mean, it's not like it matters. Nobody's ever gonna see this. This is just for me. But still. This is the snow one. So yeah,